Okay, so I want to show you guys how I do my twists. And these are passion twists. I've done it two ways, and I think I'll show you two ways how I do them. But I've gotten so many compliments on this style and how it looks and the length and all of that. So, yes. So basically, what I did was I started and I put some twisting butter on it from Camille Rose. And then I also used the curl maker. So I just used these two products to basically condition and then get my hair tight at the roots. All right, so I've taken one down and I'm just gonna show you guys on this section. So you can almost see that my hair is almost as long as these pieces that I'm using. And this is the hair. This is how it looks. So I want to recondition my hair because it definitely is drier than I like it, and actually the ends look pretty good. I just am going to take some water, and some people will decide not to use water so their hair will revert back, but that isn't a problem for me. I just work with my curls and try not to fight them. I'm gonna add some twisting butter. This is the one. Yes, I've almost used this thing up. So, and you can see my hair has reverted back, but it's okay. So I'm not gonna use a lot of this at all because a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna use this much, and I'm just putting it in my hands, and I'm just gonna work that through. Actually, I could have used a little bit more. Usually that, definitely want that all the way towards the ends. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more to put on my ends because I do not want those going dry. So now I'm going to take some gel. And I don't know if you guys use the curl maker, but what I find is that I usually end up with like this much at the bottom, and I'm like, I'm not gonna throw that away because stuff is expensive. All right, so like this one, you can see that there is a good amount at the bottom. So what I'll do is I'll open it and then just put it in like a jar, like little jar like this, and use this. So that's what that is. And I need to do the same thing to this one. So I'm just gonna take some curl maker and I'm basically just putting this on the roots of my hair. And I kind of want it on the ends too, so that those blend out into the hair pretty easily. I do this two ways, and I'm going to show you both. I'm going to take this, and I've seen people use the rubber band method. I don't like putting rubber bands on my hair, so I'm not going to use that. What I'm going to do is just split this into three, like this, like I'm going to braid it. I'm not going to braid it too far down. So that's all I'm going to braid, right? And then I'm going to take this through here. When I take mine through, I like to keep it open like that. So I'm just going to take it through like that, so you see that it's through. And then I'm going to take a piece of hair. I'm just going to use one piece because this is kind of thin. And I I haven't like separated it like a lot of people do. I'm not going to, because I like how it looks at the end when you don't separate it. It gives it kind of a curly end instead of some weird pieces. So you just take it through, and you would do this just like you would with the rubber band method. I just make the pieces even. And then, I don't know if I can do this very well on camera, but you can see that this hair is kind of on both sides even. And then my hair is braided. So what I'm going to do is take one piece of one side and then the other side and my hair and just start twisting. All right, when I get to about here, I'm going to, when I get past where my hair was braided, I'm going to take my hair and split it. Right? So, I was twisting it, right? And now I'm going to begin to twist it and my hair. And I want to smooth my hair down as well when I twist. So I find that this is the cleanest version to do this, the easiest way. And I didn't have to use a rubber band, and it's definitely secure. It will not slip out this way. So I'm just really twisting all the way down to the end, to the very, very end of the twist. Just keep twisting, keep twisting. You want to make sure it's tight. You can pull up if you want to, but I just find that kind of just makes it frayed. And then I just split it because I was running out of hair on one side. So you just want to make sure that you're watching. I'm going to twist it all the way down, and then this is what I'm left with. And this is how it looks from the top down to the bottom. Okay? But I like this method because you get it really close to the roots. But what I don't like about it is if you like certain ways that if you like push it, pull it up or whatever, you can see the braid where I started it as a braid. So I did it like that in the back, so I didn't have to worry about those coming loose. But these I just started, the rest I just started with a braid in the front. So you'll see that here when I show you this method. All right, so this is the piece I'm starting with, and you can kind of see the thickness. Taking the twisting butter, kind of working that through. All right, now I'm going to add gel, just like before, to this part. But yeah, okay, so this is the second method that I'm doing right now. I'm going to push it back a little bit, right? And then I'm going to, with my pointer finger, I don't know what that's called, my pointer finger, I'm going to take the hair on top and I'm going to push it towards the bottom. And with this hand, I'm pushing the bottom hair to the top. And I'm taking my finger, my middle finger, and kind of looping it around. So I make sure, and now it's tight onto my head, like completely tight. Now you can braid. All right. So I'm going to braid it from the root, and I'm just going to braid it down a little bit. I'm not going to go too far, just to where I see it to where I feel like it's tight. So actually what I'm going to do, since this one is in the middle, so you want to wait until your real hair is in between the fake hair, right? So my hair is in between the fake hair. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to split my hair in two. Yes? So my hair has been split in two, and it's now on both sides with the fake hair. So what I'm going to do is now continue and twist my hair and the fake hair together. And the key to this is you want to make sure it's tight, that you're doing it tightly, and this may be the wrong direction too. This is the wrong direction too, but hold on. You'll see when it's the wrong direction. Let me do it a little bit more. Okay, so when it unravels like this and looks like this, this is what you don't want, okay? So I was definitely going in the wrong direction. Just going to undo that and start twisting in the correct direction. Like this. And you twist it all the way down till you get to the end of the fake hair. Alright, so now I'm past, well, okay, now I'm past my real hair, and I'm twisting to the end to the fake hair. And I'm on my tippy toes so you guys can see this. So I'm just twisting it to the ends, twisting to the ends. And then I just kind of hold it till it's done. And then I end up with this all the way down. And if you follow me, you know that I have run a marathon in this hair, well, half marathon in this hair, and I haven't washed it yet, but I intend on washing it just to see how it holds up. For the most part, it's actually holding in pretty well. So let's see, when did I do this? I did this maybe now, probably a week or two, almost 2 weeks. I want to say it's been 2 weeks since I've done it, and the only pieces that have really come loose are this piece, but I didn't like the way that this piece had settled into the base of my hair, so I just took that one out. Just to show you guys the two methods that I use to put in my hair. The type of hair that I used was the free tress braid hair, which is the Water Wave 12-inch, and I used the color TT27. I was not happy with the coloring type because I was hoping that it would be ombre, which would be black at the top and then goes down to a lighter shade, so that it would kind of mix a little bit better with my hair from going black to the brown. But it still worked out, and it doesn't look bad on my hair or anything like that. So yeah, if you have like a dark hair color like mine, this could work for you. I'm still looking for a true ombre hair that I could rock for a little bit. But if I find it, I will let you guys know. I definitely will. But that was the only gripe I had about this hair. And it's soft and light. It doesn't feel like I have a whole lot of hair. I used 4 packs because I only got 4 packs, and I still have some hair left over to do freshen it up if I wanted to. So All right, again, I hope you guys like this video. Give me a like, thumbs up, or tell me what other kind of content you want to see from me. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.